In this first video, we're going to cover the first topic, A1.1 Water, from the new biology syllabus for IBDP, May 2025. To start off, see if you can draw a diagram of a water molecule. Feel free to pause the video if you need to do this. And as you probably already know, a water molecule looks like this, H2O, with two hydrogen atoms at the bottom, one oxygen atom at the top of the molecule. These symbols, however, may be new to you. These symbols here mean that water has a slightly positive charge at this side of the molecule and a slightly negative charge towards this side of the molecule where the oxygen atom is. This is because of exposed electrons on this side of the oxygen atom, giving it the slightly negative charge. Now, can you draw two of these water molecules next to each other? What do you think you might notice? What you will notice is that there's a partial bond that forms between the slightly negatively charged oxygen atom of one molecule and the slightly positively charged hydrogen atom of another molecule. This here is called the hydrogen bond, and this is an intermolecular force, and it is a consequence of water's polarity. Why do you think the same would not happen in a molecule of methane? This is because methane has no polarity. It has the same kind of charge on all sides of the methane molecule. What are some consequences of water's polarity? Well, first of all, water forms a continuous column and moves up the plant stem. Secondly, blood acts as a solvent and can carry dissolved substances like glucose. Another property of water that we need to be aware of, especially if you're taking chemistry as well, is that water has a high specific heat capacity. This effectively means that water needs a large amount of energy to be heated up, a lot less energy than sand, for example. One other property of water which is very, very useful for life is that it has a relatively low density when it's frozen. This means the ice floats on water and can serve as a habitat for other animals, like polar bears, like penguins. Very, very quickly, pause the video and see if you can think about the reasons and consequences for some of water's properties. Last of all, as a challenge, can you link your learning to other areas of the syllabus? Animals, for example, who are unable to sweat, like dogs, use panting. Elephants use their ears, which have a very, very large surface area to volume ratio, to allow themselves to lose heat. Last of all, condensation hydrolysis reactions. These are used in the formation of lactose. Okay, glucose and galactose bond together, releasing water, and they're broken down through hydrolysis.